everyone, Editing Amanda here. I didn't realize until I went to go and finish editing yesterday that I hadn't actually filmed an intro and an outro to this video. I meant to film one and I completely forgot. I had to go put Flynn down and I completely forgot to come back and actually film an intro and outro to this video. So if you want to see the look that you saw at the beginning and how we got there, then keep on watching. Alright everyone, today we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions and Amethyst Obsessions palettes. The numbers on the screen will tell you the colors that we're going to be using and the order we'll be using them in. So we're going to start off with our first color, and we are taking that on a Morphe M506 brush and just using circular motions. We're placing that into the crease. We're just going to continue to build this in intensity, really blending it out and making it really, really hazy. We're also aiming to have it cover pieces of the lid, but we still want a section in the center that is bare. Next, we're taking our second shade on the same M506 brush and almost half on the green and half off. I'm going ahead and blending this over top of the green. This is a technique that really helps with gradients and transitions. So I'm only blending partially on the green and partially off in little circular motions with the same brush. Now we're going to go ahead and blend that all out with our third color, and we're using a Morphe M433 brush to do this. I'm just trying to soften that outer edge so that it's all really blended well together. Next, on a Morphe M224 brush, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and I am creating the area where our spotlight is going to go. I'm really carving out this area very carefully because I want it to come up so that it's still visible when the eye is open, but it doesn't take up too much of the lid and take away all that blending that we just did. So you can see here I'm really perfecting my shape and taking my time. This is the most important part. And I just actually had to flip my brush around there because the eyeshadow primer is picking up some of the green on the eyeshadow, is picking up some of the green from the eyeshadow that we had put down originally. And I want this to be really clean. Now on a Morphe M522 brush, I'm taking our fourth color and just applying that until it reaches the desired intensity. With this, because it's a shimmer, I want to press and pull downwards. That is going to be the key to getting that shimmer to really have the pigmentation I want it to have. And then just going back in with that 506 and a little bit of that green color to really soften those edges so there's no harsh lines. So then I'm just taking our first color on a 237 Zoeva detail shader brush and placing that along the lower lash line. then just following that up with our second color on a 226 smudger brush from Zoeva and really softening that lower lash line and smoking it out so that it mimics the upper part of the eye. So then next I'm going in with a Suva Beauty 610 brush and my Tartiest clay paint liner. And this is how I'm going to begin our wing. I wanted it to be really matte and black, so this eyeliner works really, really well for that. It's very matte, it's very, very dark, and it makes beautiful winged eyeliner. It takes some getting used to when it comes to applying, but once you get the hang of it, it's a great product and I really, really like it. So we're gonna create our wing first, and then we're gonna go in and create the eye detail on the wing. Just going in with my NYX colored felt tip liner in white, and I'm gonna create some little stripes because in Beetlejuice, the worm monster that they see when they go out of the house has these black and white stripes on it, but also Beetlejuice himself is wearing a black and white suit, so I really wanted to make sure that I had that striped aspect to the liner with this look. I'm just going ahead and outlining the wing that we've already created with that same liner so that it really pops against the other colors. And then to finish our look, I'm going in with my NYX Liquid Suede in Subversive Socialite and outlining my lips as the first step in this lip. And I'm really trying to keep this to just the outer portions of my lip. And then going in with my NYX Liquid Suede in Amethyst and filling in the middle of the lip here. And then I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush and really feathering out the edges so that it creates this really beautiful purple gradient. This look was just crying out for a purple lip. Then I'm just cleaning up where I've made a little bit of a mistake on the corner of my lip there with a bit of concealer on an angled brush to just really help it be nice and clean. And then just finishing up this look with my Tarte Lights Camera Splashes mascara. I really like this one. It is very waterproof. Alright guys, as I said at the beginning, I forgot to film an outro to this, but I wanted to thank you all for watching. Your support means the world to me, so I will see you in my next one. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of our little family here on YouTube. And don't forget to ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Products are listed in the description box below, along with a link to my Instagram if you wanted to take a closer look at this super spooky Beetlejuice inspired makeup look. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.